In a world of Whoppers, what makes you a Big Mac? Yo, party people, what's good? It has been a long time. It is November the 30th, and I feel like I haven't seen you guys since October, but really had to take the month of November off. I had to let y'all get this Trump Biden thing out of your system because I don't really do politics anymore on social media. And yeah, it's that serious. So November was all about protecting my mental, definitely preparing to close out 2020 with a bang. And so what better way to start off the first of the month by making sure that we maximize the last day. And today has been probably one of the most productive days I've had in a very long time. But you know how we do, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right into it. I missed y'all. We're picking up right where we left off. We're still talking about cameras, we're still talking about content, and we're still talking about consistency. And one of the things I talk about the most is authenticity. So I'll start with where I just left off. In a world of Whoppers, what makes you a Big Mac? Look, I know a lot of you guys, are definitely launching some huge business things, some huge brand things. Congratulations on that. Shout out to all of my entrepreneurs that are doing big things, closing out 2020 strong, so you can go into 2021 even stronger. And there's still a lot of you that are sitting on the sidelines just trying to figure out, when is the right time to get in. I know a lot of you are waiting until 2021, January 1. I will say, don't wait. If you're prepared, if you can, go ahead and launch now. You know what I'm saying? You'd be surprised how significant of a jump you will have, because there's gonna be a whole lot of other people jumping come January the 1st. So if you can jump early, if you're already prepared, everything is good to go, I advise you to jump early. Even if you don't want to do it now, Christmas, is a great time, again, especially if you're selling products or anything like that. If you can jump now, you need to go ahead and jump now, selling products, selling services, or anything like that. But listen, whatever you do, just make sure you're being yourself. Make sure you are being true to who you are. Make sure that you are being completely authentic. Remember, one of the things that I say all the time, we do not want to see the people that you follow. We don't want to see a carbon copy of your followers and the people that you watch on YouTube and all this content that you just regurgitate. We don't want to hear regurgitated content. We want to see your personality, and we want to see things through your perspective. There are a bunch of different fast food restaurants, a bunch of different burger spots. You know what I'm saying? We got Burger King, we got Wendy's, we got McDonald's, we got Cookout, we got In-N-Out, you got Hardee's, you got Checkers, you got Sonic, and it's a whole bunch of other ones that I'm missing. But that's just right off the top of my head that I can think of. They all sell burgers, but the most prominent chain out of all of them has been and will continue to be McDonald's. So it's like everybody does burgers. And then we've gotten to a point now, a lot of people don't really eat McDonald's like that, but you cannot deny the entity that McDonald's have become. And one of the things they do is they stick to the script. They know what their special sauce is, literally, and they stick to it. And that's what I want you to think about. What is your special sauce? What is it that's going to make you stand out from the crowd? What is your differentiating factor? What is it that makes you different? We got a lot of artists, you got a lot of entrepreneurs. It's 1,000 of y'all selling t-shirts. What is it that makes you different? What is it that makes your apparel or your shirt different? Everybody wants to be a vlogger. What makes your vlog different? Everybody wants to be a YouTuber. What makes your content different? Why should people stop scrolling, stop swiping? When people get a notification that says, yo, Walt just dropped the video, why should they stop everything they do and come watch my content? That's the question that you got to answer. And I'm really hoping that I can help you answer that over the next 31 days. All right. So over the next 31 days of December, we're really going to dive in because I want to see you be successful. There's some things I'm getting ready to do that I plan on being successful in. And listen, I've bumped my head enough. I've had enough failures where I feel like I've got a good footing on what it takes, not just to be successful, but how to really fall in love with the process. I think too many times we're focused on the destination, and it's not really the destination. Kobe talked about that, RIP to GOAT. Kobe talked about that. I never focused on winning a championship. I just focused on getting better. And so that's what I really want you to do. Whether you're, creating content, whether you're shooting videos, whether you're writing out content, blog posts, whether you're doing podcasts, no matter what it is that you're doing, don't focus on the end goal. Don't focus on the influencers. Don't focus on the monetization. Don't focus on trying to make a whole lot of money. Don't focus on the end goal. Focus every day. You need to focus on getting better. And as you get better, as you allow your audience to come along as part of that process, you'll be surprised the level of trust, the level of credibility, the level of integrity, and the level of support that you'll actually get. It's that behind the scenes. We have too many people that tell you, oh, you can get to this spot, and I'm gonna charge you $1,000 to show you how to get there. That everybody has a course. Everybody is a coach. Everybody is a strategist. But what is it that makes you different? You know what I'm saying? So shout out to my people. Shout out to my tribe. Shout out to the squad. Shout out to the fam. Those of you that are doing big things, you know what I'm saying? And those of you that have big things to come. I'm rooting for you. I'm excited for you. I'm proud of you. If nobody has told you today, I am proud of you. So again, if you don't remember anything I said today, in a world of Whoppers, what makes you a Big Mac? What's your special sauce? That's what we want to know. All right, y'all be easy.